It's LG TV. When you turn it on, it flashes the light, and it'll finally just turn the backlight on. And then after a while, you get to see your inputs and stuff like that. Let's take it apart and see what's wrong with this. See, there's the backlight. After you get your back taken off, you're going to see your digital board. It's this board here to connect to your digital board, and your power supply. Now right off bat, I can tell you what's wrong with this TV. You're going to be looking for capacitors. This guy here, these cylinder things here are capacitors. And you see how this guy's got this brown goop on the top? If I could focus. See, that's brown? And see how he's puffed up? It should be flat. So he's bad, that one's bad, that one, and that one. It's got all the goop coming out. This is the 2200 microfarad. That's 2200 microfarad. That's 2200 microfarad. And that one's 1000 microfarad. So, I'm going to change these capacitors out, the ones that are bad, and plug it back in and see what happens. Now I got the parts changed. If you need your TV fixed, just send me your power board. I could fix your board at a cheap price. Leave me a comment if it fixed your TV, if you change the parts yourself. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. I'll see you next time.